Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sefra Korea and hit that bell icon for regular notification. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my series of quick and easy healthy recipes. So today I'm going to prepare tandoori chicken drumsticks. So for this you will require 1 kg of chicken legs and I've taken small pieces. So we'll require some salt as per your taste, some red chili powder. I've taken around 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, some turmeric powder around 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala around 1/2 teaspoon. You can also use pepper powder, some ginger garlic paste around 1 tablespoon and some vinegar around 1/2 tablespoon. I'm using apple cider vinegar, but you can also use lemon juice. You can use yogurt or curds for your marination. So for the marination, I've taken a glass bowl and I'm going to add the chicken and all these ingredients. So the ingredients, it can vary as per your taste, the quantity. So mix this all into a nice even mix. And cover it and keep it in the fridge for at least 6 to 8 hours. You can also keep it overnight and prepare it the next day. So once it's marinated well, I'm going to divide this into 2 portions and half of it I'm going to grill it in the OTG and the other half I'm going to pan fry it. So for those who don't have an OTG at home or don't want to use it, you can follow this procedure of making the grilled chicken. So I've preheated my OTG at 250 degrees Celsius and for around 10 minutes. But the temperature and the time of cooking may vary depending on the oven and the OTG that you're using. So on a baking tray, just spread some oil, coconut oil or clarified butter, that's ghee, and spread it evenly and place these pieces on it. So once it's preheated, the oven, I'm going to grill this for around 40 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. So after 40 minutes, you can just remove the tray out and turn the chicken pieces so that it dries a bit and also the other end of it gets cooked. So I'm going to keep it for another 10 to 15 minutes. So this grilled chicken, it takes almost 50 minutes to cook. So for the pan fried grilled chicken, I'm using a steel pan and I'm going to add some oil in this. I'm using coconut oil and add sufficient quantity of it because we don't want these pieces to get stuck and get burnt. So you can also use clarified butter, that's ghee, or coconut oil for this frying, and add these pieces on the pan. And I'm going to cover it with a lid because let it take its own time and cook, because we want to be sure that the pieces get cooked completely and it doesn't remain raw. So once the oil is heated up completely, we're going to keep it on medium flame and let it cook for almost 10 to 15 minutes with the lid closed. So after 15 minutes, I'm just going to have a check and open the lid. So let it continue cooking for almost 15 to 20 minutes. So open the lid and just turn the pieces. So after 10 minutes, open the lid and let that excess water just evaporate so you'll get a nice crispy coating on this chicken legs. If required, you can add a little more of oil and just turn it once again. So it's done. Just remove it and place it on a plate. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this quick and easy recipe of mine, and all the ingredients and the measurements will be mentioned down in the description box below, and also the products that I have used in this video, the links are being provided down below in the description box, so you can click on the link and make your purchase. So guys, stay updated with my more recipes to come up.